Good morning, students. I am going to teach you history lesson 2 of class 7. The name of the lesson is Rise of New Kingdoms. The early medieval period saw many dynasties in the Indian subcontinent. Most of them were powerful kingdoms. The Rajputs gained control the north, the Palas in the Bengal, the Rajputas in the Deccan, and the Cholas in the south. At this time, the south saw the emergence of powerful kingdoms such as the Pallavas, the Pandyas, and the Cholas. They were continuously fought with each other to gain control over more territories. Now, the kingdoms of North India. At first, the origin of Rajput. The word Rajput comes from the Sanskrit word Rajputra, which means son of a king. According to historian, the Rajputs belong to the Kshatriya clans of the Vedic times. Most of them were the followers of Hinduism. Harshvardhana built a mighty kingdom, or the very strong kingdom. After the death of Harshvardhana in 647 CE, northern India broke up into small kingdoms. These small kingdoms were ruled by the Rajputs. The Rajputs dominated the history in the north and the central India from about 750 CE to 1200 CE. History witnessed the rise and fall of many dynasties. This rise and fall of dynasties were the result of death of kings and invasion of wars. Now, let us read about the powerful Rajput families such as the Tomars, Solankis, Parmars, Chauhans, etc. At first, Chauhan of Rajasthan. Chauhans of Rajasthan. The Chauhan rulers ruled around the area of Delhi and Ajmer. Prithviraj Chauhan was the most powerful Chauhan ruler. In 1191 CE, Prithviraj Chauhan defeated Muhammad Ghori in the first battle of Tarai. In 1192 CE, Muhammad Ghori defeated Prithviraj Chauhan in the second battle of Tarai. He was captured and put to death. His most famous poet, Chand Bardai, written an epic poem named Prithviraj Raso. In this poem, he tells the story of a brave ruler, Prithviraj Chauhan. After that, the Solankis of Gujarat The Solankis rulers were also known as Chalukyas of Gujarat. They ruled in Gujarat. Siddharaja was most powerful ruler. Gujarat was the major center of oceanic trade. Gujarat was very prosperous state those times. And Bhilwara was the major city those times. Solanki rulers were great lovers of art and architecture. They built Dilwara temple at Mount Abu and Sun temple at Modhera. After that, Parmars of Malwa. Parmars ruler ruled around the area of Malwa. Bhoja Parmars was the most powerful ruler. Dhar was their capital. He built Nilkantheswara temple at Udaipur. After that, Gahadwalaj of Kannauj. Gahadwalaj of Kannauj. These rulers ruled around the area of Kannauj. Jayachandra was the most famous ruler. He was gifted by Muhammad Ghori. After that, Chandelaj of Bundelkhand. Chandelaj of Bundelkhand. Chandelaj of Bundelkhand. They ruled around the area of Bundelkhand. Kirti Varman was the most powerful ruler. Khajuraho was their capital city and beautiful place for temples. That's all, my dear student. Next day, next part. Now, assignment.